Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to make Breaking Bad in Infinite Craft. First of all, we add water, then fire, it will become lava. Then water, it will become stone. Then lava, it will become obsidian. Then water, it will become glass. Then go to the other side. First, add carbon. Then earth, it will become a diamond. Then obsidian, it will become onyx. Then diamond, it will become a jewel. Then add glass with jewel, it will become a crown. Then add crown, it will become a king. Then add crown again, it will become a coin. Then add king, it will become a love. Then add queen, it will become a marriage. Then add king, it will become a wedding. Then add coin, it will become a bride. Then go to the side. First, marriage. Then again, marriage, it will become a divorce. Add divorce with bride, it becomes an ex-wife. Then divorce, it will become a splitting headache. Then go to the other side. First, earth. Then water, it will become a plant. At plant with splitting headache, it will become aspirin. Then at plant, it will become medicine. Then add water, it will become a potion. Then add stone, it will become a philosopher's stone. Then add diamond, it will become gold. Then go to the other side. First, plant. Then again plant, it will become a tree. At tree with gold, it will become money. Then add medicine with money, it will become a drug. Then add money with drug, it will become a dealer. Add medicine with dealer, it becomes a drug dealer. Add philosopher's stone, it will become an alchemist. Then add drug dealer, it will become a chemist. Then add drug dealer again, it will become a meth lab. Then go to the other side. First, meth lab. Then drug dealer, it will become Walter White. At Walter White with meth lab, it becomes Breaking Bad. Now you can see Breaking Bad has been created. That's the way to create Breaking Bad in Infinite Craft. If you want more videos like this, please comment in the comments section. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.